So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can read the Instagram messages without opening or without seeing. I guarantee you that at the end of this video, you will be satisfied and you will be able to read your friends' messages without showing them a read received or a seen message. So let's dive into it. The very first step you have to do is you don't have to open Instagram, but you first of all have to open App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, go to the search bar and type in here Instagram and hit the search button. And after that, scroll down, and when Instagram app appears up, tap on that, and you have to first of all update your Instagram app. If your Instagram is not up to date, this trick is not going to work. So first of all, you have to check whether there is any pending update or Instagram or not. If your app is already up to date, then move to the next step. So after updating Instagram, just open it, and if I go to my inbox and send a message to this person, how the things are going at your side, and send it. Now I have sent a message to one of my other accounts, and if I go back and open that account from here, and if I go to the inbox, and here is that message that I have recently sent from my other account. Now let's read this message without seeing. Now here is the trick. Listen to me carefully. For reading the message without seeing, you have to just open the conversation and quickly swipe up. You are into the conversation and you can read the whole conversation, and if I go back from here, you can see that the message is still unseen. Let me do it again. Just open the conversation and quickly swipe up. Read the whole conversation, and if you want to read the last message or recent message, just scroll down slowly and scroll more, and here is the last message. You can read in this way. Just don't scroll to the hard end of the conversation. Just read message like this and simply go back, and you can see that the conversation is still unread. Now let me show you the proof. If I go back to that account and show you the conversation, let me open it, and you can see that there is no seen received for this message, and we have read it from the other account. So that's how you do it. Just open the conversation and quickly swipe up, and if you want to read the last sent message, scroll down slowly to that message and go back after reading it. In this way, the sender will not see a seen received. Now if you want to unlock or see the private account of someone on Instagram, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.